Okay, I'm using some needle nose now to get this green part off. This thing is really hard to get off because I'm having to stand on a bucket to reach this. I'm going to pull it off carefully. Okay, that's off. Now over here to where all the parts are. I'm going to grab this guy here and put this on. And this is next, the resin. Okay, so, and I've watched a couple of videos on YouTube how to do this, which were really well made. I don't think and I'm standing on a bucket here to get up here. And I'm 220 pounds, so I hope this works out. Okay, here, I'm just gonna try and center this thing. And you wanna get it really on the circle, that's what matters. I don't think the top tab matters. Get it right smack on the circle. So that's perfect. And that is good enough for me. So you want to have it entirely on that circle there. And then tamp it down with your hand. So this thing is really on here. Okay. Because you're going to apply a vacuum to this. Okay, next step they say is to put in the resin and pull a vacuum for 10 minutes. Let's try that out. Okay, it's on there. Let's get some parts over here. There's the resin. I'm going to break off the top and throw it in there. Okay, so just going to twist it until the top comes off. I twisted the top off, and let's see if it's open. It's not open. Gotta get some wire cutters or something here. Well, suffice it to say, I'm going to cut the top off this thing. This is called not being ready for the video. Here's some wire cutters. I'm going to use these. There's the resin. Let's cut off the top of it. Okay, top's off. Dump this resin in there. Alright, there's the mount. Put the resin in here, squeeze it all in. And the one gentleman said it went to the very top. This stuff, this will make a pressure seal, so you basically want to make sure that this all goes in, and I think there's enough to go to the top here. Just getting bubbles out of here now. This thing is so hard to get to that. Alright, looks like it's going in there. Drip, drip, drip. That's about all I can get out of here. You want to keep a little bit of this for the end of the process, I think. Well, let's assume it's in. And now we put the hydraulic piece on. So here, they're saying you want to put this thing in and make a vacuum. So you want to make sure this little clip is lined up with your indents on your plunger, and practice pulling this thing up and make a vacuum with it. So take it all the way from the bottom, pull it up, put it on the middle notch and make a vacuum, and wait 10 minutes.